Philippines! Right guys, I'll do that again because I didn't have the external mic in and I'm not sure how the audio is. Because Chris as usual, thank you very much baby, I'm so pleased you have so much confidence in me. So yeah, we just want to show you this is one of many examples. We can't show you them all, but I did a live stream and I went to bed about, I don't know, half six in the morning. I'd been up from 7 o'clock the previous morning. I didn't go to sleep. That's how long the live stream was, about 26 something hours. And I was so worried it was going to come, and Mel was just, oh, I need to go to sleep. So she went to sleep and I wanted to stay up, so if the building started coming down I could go out and get our electronics out and different stuff. We did everything we could, boarding the windows up and, you know, as you do. So we just want to show you, and also I've been told that the suspension bridge, the hanging bridge, has been damaged and it's leaning over on one side. So we're in Camaligan now, just down the road guys. There's a shop that's got a generator and they're saying free charging for phones between 6 and 8. That's kind, isn't it? Hey? So anyway, let's have another look at this beautiful... I nearly swore there. Right, this is... well, her name's not Shania, that's what she likes.
Her name is Dina.
Dina?
Yeah, Dina.
What, like off the Flintstones? No, that's Dino, isn't it? Alright. Pull your mask down, let the guys have a look. Now, I mean, look at how beautiful she is, right? And some very unkind guys around her age where we live were telling her that she's pangit, which is ugly. And she's far from pangit. So maybe a few comments would be nice and tell her what you think. She's 19, she's 20 next May. She would like a foreigner if she wasn't already courting, but she's actually with somebody at the minute. In fact, she's with Mel's brother, so I don't think it's a good idea if I promote her on here. But a friend, she's nice. She's a very liberated young lady, and she's definitely looking for a foreigner. There's lots of fish in here, look, you can see them come to, well you can't because of this GoPro. Yeah, there's lots of fish there. There's loads coming up to the surface for the insects. But again, I really, you know, I've ate fish that Ma gets and I never ask her where she gets it. But they're selling chicken across the road, very popular here. I love chicken. Chicken and eggs, anything eggs and chicken I love. Yeah, I'd hate to think the fish I was eating they were getting out the rivers, because the rivers have all the sewage running into them. It's like a few doors away from us, the rear ducks and hens. What, baby? There's damage. Yeah, there you go, there's another one. And again guys, I'm not joking, there was people living in these, right? Now, as Mel was saying before we realised I didn't have the external mic on, oh, look at this. These were fully covered, and you know, people living in them. Before the virus, some of these people, now I'm not on about people that live in these type of homes, but like them kind of people weren't living great. And then the virus come along and they weren't living much better, and then all of a sudden the typhoon hits and it's just devastation. You know, where I'm going to take you to, I've not been, I don't know if they've done any, I mean, I guess they're trying to get materials together to get it all waterproof and stuff. They've been living in the church. They've been living in the church, Mel, sleeping in the church rather.
I think they moved already to the school.
Oh, they're in the school now. They've moved to the school according to Mel, because they've got no roof on the house. Now before that, just give you a little bit of background. Now, this isn't a begging video for all the trolls out there, the A's, the morons, right? We can't accept any money, so this is just information video, right, guys? We don't ask for money, contrary to some beliefs. We don't.
We just show what happened.
Yeah, we're just showing. Can you be on the camera when you talk, babe?
We just show after the typhoon.
Yeah, we're just showing after. Now, this is probably going to be a while before you see this video anyway, because we've got no internet. Although I got a generator where, you know, theoretically have power, there's no internet, and there hasn't been since the typhoon hit. So anyway, getting back to it, just to give you a bit of background, she's got 5 kids. I guess she's quite attractive. Is she married, Mel?
No.
Oh, no, babe. You must keep a hold of her. Don't let her go, honestly.
No, they're not married.
They're not married. And she's got kids from 2
different men.
Yeah, this guy isn't the first kid's dad.
On the first man's 2, and then the second's 3rd kids.
No, she's got 5, hasn't she?
No, I'm talking on the first man
2,
and then the
second one 2.
3.
Oh, 3, right, okay.
So altogether is 5.
Right. So the guy she's with now, she's had 3 kids with.
Yeah.
And she literally is... I don't like to say the word begging. I hate the word begging. But she's literally going to people she knows all the time for money because she just can't live. And to give you an example, when all the kids were born, she wasn't buying milk, was she, Mel? What was she feeding them?
I know, the rice.
The juice from the rice. She'd boil rice and she'd give them the rice water. And these kids were like really malnourished.
Yeah, malnourished.
And
because they be able to give the proper that the kids needs.
yeah. So every time she come to Mel, obviously Mel was giving the kids proper milk.
Yeah.
You know, and
Diaper as well.
diaper. Mel's tried to help as much as she can.
Yeah, but I don't want to be spoiled and then like
Where she relies on you.
I don't want to rely on me.
Yeah, because she will. That's what it's like here.
It's the Filipino.
Yeah.
I didn't say all.
No, not all. We're not tarring everybody with the same brush, but like,
But
for example, we've got the generator running. Generator to 2,500 watt Honda. It's a brilliant generator. Really good investment. I'm really pleased with it. And of course, I'll say that and it'll break down. And then all of a sudden, all the family turns up. Kuya Chris, can we charge free? And it's like, oh, I guess so, your family. Yeah, let's have a look through here then. Let's walk through here.
I didn't know what happened.
So if there's any rich foreigners want you, just get in touch.
No.
No, the family might be watching, you'll get into trouble. I'm only joking. But yeah, this is where the floating restaurant is, as you know. We'll probably not.
Free charge there. That's why lots of people there.
Right.
Free charge.
Yeah.
But you need to look after your phone.
Yeah, you see, the thing is, when they come and charge the phones at our house, we look after the phones. Yeah, it's free charging, lot. Free charging. Very interesting. Hello. Hello. So the floating restaurant's normally here, but it's gone. Coast Guard vessel is there, look. The river is very high. Oh my God, yes, look at the damage to the bridge. Oh, look how full it is, Mel. And as you might already know, Albay was flooded really bad. I mean, the second floors of a lot of houses were just showing, the bottoms were just flooded. A few meters of water. I'm sorry if the... Oh, it's higher than I've seen it in a while. Yeah. So when the typhoon actually hit, when I come off the live stream, I thought, oh, it's probably not going to hit, it's probably missed us. Oh dear, was I wrong? I was out in it. I don't know if you'll see that video before this one or after, but it was bad. I mean, there was metal sheets flying all over the place.
Just new long, and then what happened?
Yeah.
Because normally the typhoon, it's come the month of November and December.
Yeah, this is typhoon season here in the
And even the
Philippines.
look,
Yeah.
there, it's metal, right? Still
Yeah, they've been
damaged.
ripped from the floor, ripped from the floor.
And not all, they have still left.
Yeah, I think they're perhaps newer ones. See, plant pot gone, that's been thrown over. What a shame. Because it's beautiful here, and I really feel a bit sad about this. But I guess, you see, in the Philippines, these people spring back really easy, you know. You know, if there's a world, you know, currency crash tomorrow, these people will be all right ish, compared to Western people who rely on the supermarkets and all the rest of it. These people can survive. Look at that, guys. I hope you can see it. It's all tilted over. There's nobody walking over that.
The fish is still alright, the fish.
Yeah, but hey, there's an offshoot to that. The good news is the people with the boat are back in business again. So they'll be hoping the bridge doesn't get repaired.
Spend money for that, and then what happened?
That's not the same boat though, is it, Mark?
No, it's different.
It's a different boat. Look how high it is on the steps.
Yeah, it's high.
Very high.
Oh, there's a Melody's burger there.
Oh, Melody's Burger, yeah. Hey, is that something to do with you then, or what?
No.
You know you look like a pixie with that mask on, don't you? I've said that, haven't I? Look at all the broken wires. All metal wire, that. Metal bottom.
That's life. Just move on.
That's life in the Philippines.
Still smile.
Yeah. Look, they fastened the top down, give it some support. So we're going on to see Mel's friend's house next. She's busting a gut to get me there. I don't know what she thinks I'm going to be able to do. But let's have a look at Melody's Burgers. Or burger. There you go, so you can get a burger here on the way back, Mel.
Okay.
Hello!
Hello.
You're going to be on YouTube. A Brit in the Philippines. Please subscribe.
You want burger when you come back?
Huh?
You want burger when you come back?
I'd rather have them eggs, Mel. I'm not bothered about the burgers. They put too much of that stuff on them. I don't like it.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,